Welcome to the Right Panel Assembly Manual. In Step 1, position pieces 1, 2, and 3 side by side and secure them with G and D accessories. Fit the C accessories into the indicated locations. Position part 7 and secure it with the F accessories. In Step 2, fit the C accessories. Position part 8 in the indicated location and secure it with the F accessories. Fix the L and G accessories in the indicated locations. In Step 3, position part 5 and secure I accessories.
Fit accessories B into part 4 and secure them with accessories K. Fit accessories B into the indicated locations. Then attach accessories I to part 6 and finish by securing them with accessories K. In Step 4, fit accessories B into the indicated locations and then fit accessories J. Join the two parts together. Finally, secure accessories E.